Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's been a minute, or not a minute actually. You see me a bit more regularly, been making more videos for you guys. But today we have chicken and bean curry. Too nice, too nice, too nice. And yeah, I'm actually quite really hungry. This light is annoying me because it's blocking half of my face. I don't know if you guys even want to see my face. If you guys just want to see the food, I don't know. But yeah, logistics. Anyways, I'm gonna put something on, chill, have a little bit of. I actually made this today like a really nice lunch. Like I made a tuna and mussels, pasta. It was quite interesting. Even my mom approved. She always finds my concoctions a bit sus. There was a lot of other ingredients in there. It's a secret. So I'm giving it out. But yeah. There's something missing here. I don't know what it is. And I hope my mom doesn't attack me. Because she sometimes watches my videos. For some reason, I think there's something missing here. I don't know if it's sugar or... I don't know, but I'm gonna be grateful. I'm eating it because it's not terrible. I see YouTubers throw food in the bin. And obviously throwing food in the bin is wasteful. But I understand, like, if you don't like what you're eating, then it makes sense. Like, you want to eat it, just throw it away, give it to somebody or throw it away. But yeah. I would like 9 out of 10 eat it. Finish it. Yo guys, actually just thought now, like I haven't tried live streaming since that last incident. It wasn't really an incident, more like nothing happened. Nobody was watching the live stream, so I was like, okay, so obviously next time I should just, wait a little bit. Like, I think in one of my previous videos, I said, like, guys find something funny, by all means, create a meme about it. Like, I know of people that are, like, they created memes of them, like, in a different town. But they didn't know that there was a meme of them in a different town, and they were, like, popular. And everyone's WhatsApp groups and stuff like that in use. So that's quite insane. But we still have that, Nothing better than a fish coke. No, that's good. I just like got rid of some more beans and chicken, and I just feel like a nice piece of chicken. Surprise. And yeah, hopefully I can get a guest on this weekend. Hopefully. But I want to say now, the video with Keenan did really well actually. Guys, I'm so happy now. I don't know why, but since yesterday, I've just been eating and eating and eating. Like till I'm full and uncomfortable, which is quite annoying. But yeah, well, yesterday somebody stole my vape, man. And it was so annoying because I feel like I knew who it was. But I also didn't want to face them because firstly, I don't want to accuse people of doing things if I'm not 100% sure. And yeah, so I just stick to, guys, come and let's check the CCTV. Unfortunately, the person that does the CCTV wasn't available that day, so I'm gonna have to wait till I could actually go now, but I don't feel like going now. I think that's late as what is. Because it's over now, and I anyways got myself a new one. So it's a win-win for whoever stole it. And what's weird is now, like, they looked at me like dead in the eye, like as I'm looking for it. And then I think the reason why I also thought it was them was the guy was like tweaking out, and see this guy was like on something. And also, yeah, they left like, I'd say about 15 minutes after what happened, because they were still playing pool, trying to finish the match. But at least they left us like some 5 rounds, I believe so. But yeah, it could have been worse. Also, I do want to start a fight over a vape. For real, like, you never know, maybe this guy has a knife on him. Because like I said, he was tweaking, like you can clearly see that they were on some other street shit. So yeah, trying to accuse somebody was zero evidence. Isn't the best thing. Buzzer. I'm buzzing. Yeah, no, that was not bad though. Not gonna get him in the video. I feel like everyone in the household is supposed to know this by now. I'm eating, I'm making a video. If I'm not making a video, I'm eating. Just like, I mean, I would make a video of all my lunches and suppers and everything. But sometimes it's not worth it, man. Sometimes the inspiration isn't there. So yeah. Hmm. Yeah, everyone. And I wasn't told. I still could have today, as usual. Got food to eat, videos to watch, things to do. But at the end of the day, I have you. I have all of you. And I have even more of you if you hit that subscribe button, like and share and comment who you are, what you're doing. Do you like watching this guy, Dale, eating? Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys later in the next video. Hopefully tomorrow night. See you guys. Have a good one. Peace.